Nice and lovely, guys, and welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, and also salad bar and juice bar. I just want to simply make you a 5-bean salad, very easy for Chef Ricardo salad bar channel and juice bar. Alright, over here I have a tin of 5-bean salad. I'm gonna be using a large spoon, and I'm gonna put 2 large tablespoons of the 5-bean salad. Also, we have some olive, which we're going to be using inside of it. So I'm going to put some olive inside of it because I love black olive, and I'm using the black olive. And I know you guys definitely can also make this one at home. Very easy. So that's the olive. I put a little bit more inside of it. Right, lovely. Also, I have some sun-dried tomato. I'm gonna put some sun-dried tomato inside of it. You can either chop it up or you can just leave it all out. Got a piece of a cucumber I'm gonna be using. So we're gonna put some spring onion inside of it for color. That's the spring onion. I'm gonna use a large tomato. I'm gonna use some red onion. So what we're gonna do is just put a little bit of pepper. So the pepper definitely will be bringing a lovely, just a little bit of pepper. Nice one. That is fantastic. I'm gonna give it a lovely mix like this. It's a very simple salad. Five-bean salad. This salad again, amazing recipe. Look at that, guys. That is fantastic. Anyway, please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend. And a friend, tell a friend. As I can see, this is fantastic. 5-bean salad with chopped tomato and black olive tomato, red onion with peppers. Enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the description box, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipe like this and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo on the team, and please stay tuned.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you